Dis aan my suster. Waar toe gaan jy so roof? Ek gaan gewoon na haar toe. Ek soek my handsakkies in my kaart vandag. Vandag soek ek kom my trek my py. En die handsakkies op my weg gaan vir my suster. Kan jy maar sê jy gaan my suster begrawe soms sommer eenmal. Wat was begrawe soms? Hier is die goede. Bring dit toe. Hier is dit toe. Opgesukkel en gaan fees toe. Worry, Ahmed. Listening is a skill. I come today. I come in pieces. Yes. I want my children's card back because it go to festive and I have nothing to eat. I have nothing to eat.
My bill back.
No. But every time I come here, you say my money is up. Why? Who? How? I don't know.
You know how much on the book?
What is my book?
2,500 in the book. It's too high money. How can I go to give this?
No, I didn't know the 2,500.
Don't be joking. Not don't be joking. Give my money, fucking money, Papa first.
Well, now, give my card back. Who the hell? I'll get the who? Wow. Who gaat jij nou? Who gaat jij nou? Give my card back. I want my card now.
Goed om kwam Fadi en aan elkaar goed gevat. Hoe kan je nou zo met jouw kaart?
Ik praat met jou, ik heb met jou schuld gemaakt.
Nee, maar je weet wat je
Ik heb met jou schuld gemaakt. Ik breng jou van.
Yellow man, they fucking hungry. Yellow man.
Yellow man, ik was honger, but he didn't say you must take my money like you want to. Je kent niet van mij niet. Maar ik heb met jou schuld gemaakt.
Je kan niet mijn kaart zoeken. Je weet dat je schuld gevat. Hoe kan je?
I want my card back.
Dat gaat niet zo werken.
Hey, hoe gaat het? Hoe gaat het? I want my everything back.
Ja, je kan niet goed zoeken. Je moet schuld gevat. Je moet je schuld betalen en dan kan je goed krijgen.
But every time my schuld is high, like high pressure. My pressure is high. Like high sky.
Yellow man, that's a
Hoor je wat er is? Is het al goed?
Je moet je schuld betalen.
Don't show me that black book. That book is very dangerous. Every time my schuld is high sky, I want my card back now. Like emergency now. Call the police. I will stand like I'm some man fast. Don't show me that. I didn't want to see. I want my goede. I want. Tell you man, I want my things. No, not me. I actually my goed. Where's my card? You take my money. You take the children's money. You take everything. I have nothing. I have here spent this year. I want my goed. I want my everything now.
Je maakt je met betalen. Je kan hem als even nou gaan
Josie, ik heb de video schuld gemaakt. Ik heb de video schuld gemaakt. Please give my. What do you want to say, bro? Dit is zo goed.
Jij kan niet meer praten. Jij kan niet meer praten. Jij moet betalen.
No. You must not talk in this business. Yeah, it's between me and your man. I come here to make the book here by him, not by you. Say for life.
No, she's my wife.
Yes, she's your wife. I can say back.
My shop means her shop.
Yes, but give my goed terug. My belongings.
I don't think my shop, I think her shop. She can talk anything. You can't say
Yes, but she don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Talk to my lawyer. They don't make business with us. They make business with you.
It's my wife. She must talk.
Listen.
I can't talk to you.
Luister van mij verstaan is Afrikaans. Als ik hier elke tijd van jullie mij pay, dan van de aanzakjes op mij. Now what will I eat now? I'm hungry like a lion now.
No, maar hoe kan je voet betalen? Je zit op kaart en je belooft en everything.
Het gaat best op elkaar, dit is een schaapkoopie.
Ja, dat is niet ons probleem. Je moet voor ons betalen, kan je je belooft.
This guy don't know. Look, call their mother. I call their mother. The cat is stuck in the shore.
Jij bent niet van. Oh shit, what happened?